It's Black Friday, and you already know that I was going to give you an opportunity to get in the game at a huge discount, especially if you're struggling to flip or wholesale your first house, or you're struggling to do more deals consistently. So what I put together is a package with a new mini course / update to my existing course on wholesaling houses along with wholesaling apartments. So what you will get is you'll get the new mini course, which I'll get into in a second, along with my wholesaling houses and apartments courses. But this does not come with any coaching, but it's going to be a Black Friday discount and deal that you can't refuse. Now, existing students, don't worry. The new update is already uploaded. All you have to do is log back in and access the new update. So what will you actually get in the new mini course / update? Well, this business boils down to generating leads. Leads. There's no magic wand that I wave. If you've heard me say that once, I've said it 1,000 times. I'm no smarter than you are. But what I realized early on is that if I do an effective job of generating leads, I can do deals and cash checks consistently. You can do the same. Stop banging your head against the wall looking for deals here and there. It will only frustrate you right out of the business in most cases. So what I've done in this mini course is put together the marketing methods that I use that generates lead after lead after lead. If you're generating enough leads, you will stumble into a deal. Not saying that this is easy, but you can make it more easier than what you're probably going through. So what you would get in the mini course, along with the full courses, but what you would get in the actual updates is that I'm going to focus and show you how I use ringless voicemail, cold calling, even text messaging to contact sellers. Bandit signs, of course, and I go into more detail on that, along with direct mail. Even co-wholesaling, I go into that even though it's not a biggie of mine, but it can be a very beneficial method of generating leads and deals. But in addition, what I'm going to also show you is that you can build lists that can be used for your direct mail, but also your ringless voicemail, your text messaging, and your cold calling. Now, of course, in order to do that with those three, you would need phone numbers. So I'm going to show you how to generate phone numbers for a large part of that direct mail list for your ringless voicemail, cold calling, and text message campaigns. Within just a few clicks, you'll be able to skip trace those lists. Along with that, you need phone numbers. So I'm going to show you what service I use to get multiple phone numbers for my direct mail, bandit signs, cold calling, ringless voicemail, text messaging, because you really need different phone numbers for each form of marketing that you do so you can track what works and what doesn't work. So you can either fix it or do more of it. So this Black Friday special, and of course, you know I have another website for you, FlipMyFirstHouse.com. Of course, FlipMyFirstHouse.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, there should be a link in the descriptions and or comment section of the video. If you have any questions that you want to ask about the courses, I may not be available by phone, but if you're on the site FlipMyFirstDeal.com, there should be a chat box there that I should be able to reply to depending on what time of day you're sending your message. So again, FlipMyFirstDeal.com. This is my Black Friday special to get you in the game. Whether you're already doing deals or you're struggling to do your first deal, this is your opportunity to get a wealth of knowledge that you can apply to do your first deal and or to do more deals consistently. Thanks, and I will see you on the flip side.